So hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to explain you that is the UPSC mains Kannada paper 1 syllabus. What are the topics on which the questions will be asked in 2025 means I will tell you the syllabus. So answer must be written in Kannada only, okay? And in section A, history of Kannada language, that is what is language, general characteristics of the Kannada language, Dravidian family of language and its specific features, antiquity of Kannada language and different phases of its development, and dialects of Kannada language, regional and social, various aspects of development of Kannada language, phonological and semantic changes, and language borrowing. On this A question was asked, and B in section A in the T and B sub in B, history of Kannada literature, there is ancient Kannada literature, influence and trends, poets for study, specified poets from Pampa to Ratnakara, Varni or to be studied in the light of contents, form and expressions, Pampa, Jana, Nagachandra, and medieval Kannada literature, that is influence and trends, Vachana literature, that is Basavanna, Akka Mahadevi, and medieval poets, that is Harihara, Raghavanka, Kumarvyasa, Dasa literature, that is Purandara and Kanaka, Sangataya, that is Ratnakara Varni, and modern Kannada literature, that is influence, trends and ideologies in the modern Kannada literature, Navodaya, Pragatishila, Navya, Dalita and Bandya. And in section B, poetics and literary criticism, its definition and concepts of poetry, word meaning, alankara, riti, rasa, dhvani, achitya, and interpretation of Rasa Sutra, and modern trends of literary criticism, that is formalist, historical, Marxist, feminist, post-colonial criticism, and in cultural history of Karnataka, contribution of dynasties to the culture of Karnataka, that is Chalukya of Badami and Kalyani, Rashtrakutas, Hoysalas, Vijayanagara rulers in the literary context, major religions of Karnataka and their cultural contribution, arts of Karnataka, sculpture, architecture, painting, music, dance in the literary context you need to study, and unification of Karnataka and see its impact on Kannada literature. So these are the topics that you need to study. On these only the questions will be asked. So this is the video. So this is the syllabus for Kannada paper 1 UPSC mains. These are the topics. On this the question will be asked. If this video is helpful to you, please give a like and also share my video with your friends. So okay friends, this is my next video. Then take care. Have a nice day. Bye my dear friends.